time has come to customize my Disney charm bracelet. This line, Charmed in the Park, is everything I've been waiting for as like a true Disney aesthetic girly. And I bought this when we were in the parks for my husband's birthday, but of course we have to customize it. This is what she looks like just off the rack. And something I really like is that these charms come with the little clasp. Sorry, I couldn't find that word. So that you can put them all around the bracelet. Now, right now, we've got the pink Mickey and a castle, which, yes, great. From a different collection, I have a pearl Mickey, and then I purchased once upon a time, and when you open it, there's a little picture of princesses in here. This is one I can use. I have a gold crown that I can use. Also, please don't judge my fingernails right now, okay? They're in a process of healing. That's the phase we're in. I have a silver little slipper, Cinderella slipper, but I don't think I want to add silver. I'm not entirely sure. And then I have 3 charms that I have purchased on my own. Now, the challenge here is that these charms don't have the rings. We're gonna make it work. Bracelet has been set free of any and all charms. Now I also have this bracelet that I got at Michael's. If you saw my strangely viral Alex and Ani video where I took all of my silver Alex and Ani chains, the like charms on those bangles, and transferred them to a bracelet that looked like this, I used the same bracelet, although I will say I really like the chunkiness of the one from, I think it's Beaded Blondes or A Littles & Co. better. But this is also an option. The reason I like this one is because this middle section like opens. Currently, I don't have a way to get these guys on here, but I might have a way to get them on here. Let's test. Here's what we've got so far. I'm not finding an easy way to get these other ones without the clasps onto the bracelet, but I might have an idea. I am loving how this is coming out, and I think I might prefer, this band from Michael's. This feels even lighter / cheaper than that. And I know this one doesn't have nickel in it, which I'm allergic to. Fun fact. So this I think is working. This might be a real test, but I added like a second jump ring here from a different gold bracelet, this little airplane. And then I'm using this handy tool to try to pinch. And I'm trying to use the tactics that I was told about in my other video. Continuing on. I know that there are people who are like, Chelsea, wouldn't it just be easier if you stopped customizing everything you own and personalizing it to be just for you? Yeah, it'd be easier, but would it be more fun? No. I took these off of a bangle. It is Mickey and Minnie, and I did put them on one, so they are kind of stacked, but I am trying to conserve some jump rings here because I still have my crown charm to add. I am legitimately embarrassed to tell you how much time this took me, but it is done, and don't you worry, I will show you what this looks like when I get to wear it at Disney. But this is my little DIY. So if anybody in the parks is like, oh my gosh, I love your charm bracelet, I can say, oh, thank you, I made it. Oh, I love it so much. Thank you for being here. I will also be posting stories to Instagram daily, especially about things I find from this brand. So stay tuned, same handle, but follow along.